Hey guys, in this video we are proposing an alternative to GetMyReceipts. So GetMyReceipts is an European software for automated extraction of Gmail receipts, right? So how it works is it's Chrome extension and you have to trigger it manually to download your receipts, right? So the first step is that you need to install the extension, run it on your Gmail account, and then it will create this spreadsheet with your invoices, with your receipts that you can then use for yourself, right? So first thing, it only works with Gmail. Second thing, it has a limit of the it can only export the past year receipts. Third thing, you can only run it on your Gmail account, obviously, because you need access into that Gmail account. Fourth thing, you need to run it, you need to trigger it manually each time you want your receipts downloaded, right? So it involves a lot of manual work. Fifth thing, basically, the pricing is very, very expensive. It's free for one user up to 50 receipts. But if you have if you have a medium team, which is usually the case when you start having lots of invoices, lots of receipts, you'll have to pay up to 70 euros per month per user, right? So if you have a medium-sized team of, let's say, 30 users, you'll be paying around 2,000 euros per month just to extract your receipts manually from your inboxes, right? So what we want to do today is propose you an alternative, which is tailride, right? And tailride does exactly the same, but much better, right? You can extract invoices, you can extract receipts from your email, but not only Gmail. You can use Outlook, you can use Gmail, you can use any email provider using our IMAP connector, right? So you can use your your iCloud account or whichever email account you are using. Second thing, we don't use a Chrome extension, so we connect directly into your email account, Gmail, Outlook, any email provider, and automatically via API extract your invoices, extract your receipts, right? So you don't have to trigger it because once connected, we download all of them manually, automatically. And you can also do retroactive scans as far as you want directly from the dashboard, right? So that you can basically, let's say you want to catch up on the past 3 years of invoices of documents, you can do it directly from the dashboard without having any kind of limit. Third thing, you can connect also as many email accounts as you want, so that you can invite your colleagues to connect their inboxes, and then you'll have access also to their actual inboxes, right? So also, I don't know what number we were at, but the pricing is very, very, it's much cheaper than GetMyReceipts, right? Because basically you can pay just $49 per month up to 250 monthly invoices and connect 8 email accounts, right? So that, for example, if you had to do this with GetMyReceipts, you'd be paying this amount times 8, right? So you can connect up to 8 connected email accounts, just paying $49 per month, right? And if you need more email accounts, you can go up to a scale plan, and then our premium plan, which doesn't have any kind of limit on the number of connected email accounts, right? So I'm going to show it to you so that you have an idea of how this actually works, right? Because it's easy to just talk, but we're going to show it to you because this way you can see that it's very, very easy to set up, right? So in this case, I have one email account connected, but I can easily connect any other email account, or I can invite my colleagues to connect their email accounts, right? So once this is connected, hourly, it will scan my emails to find new receipts, and when they are when it finds them, it will extract them and put them here on my dashboard, right? So it also processes these invoices to extract all the data from them, right? So you can see here that this information was extracted from this invoice ID, amount, date, due date, but we don't only extract this information, but a lot of information that you can access from here if you want to have more information, right? We also have connections to Google Sheets, but not only Google Sheets, we have direct connections to accounting software like QuickBooks, like Xero. We also have like Telegram bot to send your receipt photos. We have WhatsApp to send your receipts photos. And then we have a bunch of other integrations that you can leverage to automate further your accounting, right? We also have bank statement reconciliation. We also have the retroactive tool that I told you about, that you can find past invoices very easily. You have these insights that you can use to get these insights into your expenses. So basically, it's much more easy to use than GetMyReceipts. It's cheaper, and it's also more automatic, right? If you want to just set this up and forget it, and then once per month you either access directly the Google Drive folder, the folder that you have created, and download the invoices, or maybe you can just go here. Let's say you want to filter for the last month, then you click on here and you just download these invoices in a CSV format or whatever you want, right? So this is a comparison, and you can try Tailride for free on any of the actual plans. So I'm going to say that you just try it out and let it surprise you.